Andrew Tate, a previous expert kickboxer and business person, shared his money-making tips and discipline frequently in many platforms. A portion of his normal guidance incorporates are listed in this video, in which is breakdown into 5 rules for a better understanding. Cowards may run because they fear to improve. But you have clicked because you want change. Here are 5 rules. Rule number 1. Develop a triumphant mindset. Building a winner's mindset is the first and important thing to do in your career. Tate stresses the significance of having an outlook equipped towards progress. This incorporates certainty, assurance, and flexibility. Remember that building a mindset is the basement for your life building. Tip: appreciate yourself for small wins each time when you accomplish something, and don't let your mind come down like a little fart. Rule number 2. Multiple revenue streams. He advocates for differentiating your types of revenue to decrease dependence on any single source. This could include beginning organizations, putting resources into stocks or land, or making advanced items. Building more revenue can be a lifetime gift which changes your life enormously. Tip: engage in some kind of side hustle along with your 9-to-5 work. This can be powerful and brings happiness when you look back on this one day. Rule number 3. Continuous self-improvement. Tate focuses on the meaning of consistently learning and working on oneself, whether it's through understanding books, going to classes, or systems administration with fruitful people. Investing on yourself is the best investment you can make in your 20s. Tip: build a productive hobby such as getting onto gym and reading some useful books and listening to some valuable podcasts and content like what you are doing now. Rule number 4. Take determined risks. While pushing for wariness and exploration, Tate energizes proceeding with carefully weighed out courses of action in quest for higher prizes. This could include putting resources into adventures with likely exceptional yields or beginning a business in a specialty market. Tip: stock market can be a great example of taking risk, but only involved in that if you have some experts to guide you. Don't be a little cock by investing these with absolute zero knowledge, and that by listening to little cock YouTubers. Rule number 5. Embrace challenges. Instead of avoiding difficulties, Tate recommends embracing them as any open doors for development and learning. He accepts that confronting and conquering obstructions is fundamental for making progress. Challenges reveals a man. Tip: try to go on trekking, rock climbing when you get chance. Adventurous challenges can help you a lot in that. It's important that while certain individuals find Tate's recommendations significant, others might have reactions of his methodology or perspectives. Similarly, as with any guidance, it's essential to assess and adjust it to your own conditions and values. Basically, alright mate, put your time into valuable content. Don't hop onto another video and just start working. Subscribe now for more bone-killing insights.